How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and welcome to an episode of SpeedTech SpotLight. In this episode, I wanted to go over our K-Force mini light bar alley upgrade on our K-Force Micro 21 and K-Force 27 mini light bars. So for example here, I brought our K-Force Micro 21 TIR in an amber color model here on the bottom, and here I do not have the alley upgrade. So when I activate my alley button, my two side alley lights will be the standard warning color ordered of my light bar. Now up top here, I brought a amber green alternating color model here. Now with this model, I did do the alley upgrade. So when I activate my two side alley lights, you'll notice that they're in my warning color here in warning mode. But when I activate my alley button here, that my two side alley lights will go to clear. I'll go ahead and shut off the warning mode there so you can see the alley lights. So you'll see that those will illuminate clear when my alley button is activated, and then when I deactivate my alley button, those will go back to the warning color ordered of my light bar. So that goes over the alley upgrade on our K-Force Micro 21 TIR, and again that was an amber and then an amber green alternating color model, for example. And we do offer these units in TIR and multicolor linear in amber, red, blue, green, and clear. So let's go ahead and go over our K-Force 27 mini light bar. So here I brought our multicolor K-Force 27 linear mini bars here, but again we do offer these models in TIR or multicolor linear. Now up top here I brought a red-blue color example. Now I do have a combo style flash pattern running here, and my light bar is flashing back and forth between my primary and secondary colors, meaning this is a multicolor linear light bar here. Now this light bar up top does not have the alley upgrade, so when I activate my two side alley lights, those will activate in the secondary color ordered of my light bar. Now for example, here is a red-blue color model, so my secondary color is blue. So when I activate my TD button and activate my two side alley lights, those will illuminate in my secondary color, and for example here is blue. And then when I deactivate those, they'll go back to flashing in multicolor with my light bar. Now on the bottom here, I brought a blue amber color model, for example. So I'll go ahead and turn on my light bar here. Now on the bottom here, again, this is a blue amber multicolor linear model, but in mode 1, I programmed an all blue flash pattern, and in mode 2, I have an all amber flash pattern. So this is just showing that you can run your primary or secondary colors individually by using your mode 1 and mode 2 buttons here with our multicolor linear light bars. Or you can run your units in your multicolor flash patterns as well if you would like. Now for example here, I do have the alley upgrade. Now the alley upgrade on our multicolor linear will make the secondary color ordered of my alley lights clear. So you'll notice here when I'm in my blue mode, which is my primary color, they're flashing blue. And then when I'm in my secondary color mode, you'll notice my modules here are flashing in the secondary color of clear, since the secondary color of my alley upgrade will be clear on my multicolor linear bars. So you'll see I'm flashing there, and then I'll go ahead and turn off my light bar here and I'll activate my two alley lights. Now my two alley lights there will go to steady burn clear. And then I'll go ahead and show you, let me go back to mode 2 here. Now with mode 2, I'll go ahead and cycle to a multicolor flash pattern. So you'll notice in my multicolor flash pattern, my light bar is flashing between blue and amber, my main primary and secondary colors. And then on my alley lights here, they're flashing between blue and clear, since my alley lights will be my primary color, and then my secondary color will be clear on my alley lights. And again, you can activate your two alley lights to steady burn to go to steady burn clear. So this was my blue amber multicolor K-Force 27 linear, for example, and then up top here was my red blue multicolor K-Force 27. Here is my amber green alternating K-Force Micro 21 TIR, and then below that one is my all amber K-Force Micro 21 TIR. But again, we do offer all of these light bars in amber, red, blue, green, and clear in TIR or multicolor linear. So that covers our K-Force Micro 21 and 27 mini light bars alley upgrade. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.